Hello guys, this is Deb. I will show you large eggplant. Pum pum. This is the large one.
Is it a new harvest?
It's not what I harvest, but it was Titaya's.
It's a new harvest.
The new harvest. And anyways, we got 3. I think this one is much bigger than the other one. Look at it. It's so taba.
You buy our eggplant.
You can buy our eggplant. We can just get some more. If you want
Ayun sa may buses mo, wala kang mga ibon.
See? With the eggplant. There's some more.
Ito, Tita Jo.
Boo, boo, boo. Boo.